Online ordering systems are expensive and time-consuming. How do you get your business online when times are tough and budget is limited? Our XcooBee payment solutions can work with your existing PDF documents and quickly turn them into a full online ordering system anyone can manage and use. Simply mark up your menu PDF with XcooBee order codes and your menu is ready to get you orders. Send it to your customers directly or make it downloadable anywhere. Nothing else needed. Users can then, with a simple click on your menu, assemble and place orders, like so. This is easy! You can send users your menus via email, make them downloadable from your webpage, or even your social media page. Your PDF menu becomes your order entry system anyone can understand. Also, if you regularly include printed menus in your completed takeout orders so customers can order again, we've got you covered there too. Add XcooBee's smart QRs and your customers can assemble an order from your printed menus as well, like so. You need to innovate to adjust to how business is done today. You also need to protect your employees and customers while saving costs. With XcooBee's contactless payment solutions, you can do all three. Now with 14-day free trials on all subscriptions. No reason not to try today.